Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about primary oocyte is formed after formed after a mitotic division. It formed after a mitotic division from oogonia. So oogonia divide by mitosis and they form the primary oocytes. Now the primary oocytes undergoes meiosis and they form the secondary oocyte. Now this secondary oocyte undergoes second meiosis and it forms the mature oocyte. Polar bodies are mainly formed during oogenesis. You see, formation of polar bodies is seen. Polar bodies are formed mainly as a result of meiosis in ovaries called as oogenesis. The first polar body is released before ovulation, whereas the second polar body mainly forms after fertilization. First polar body forms before ovulation, whereas second polar body will form after fertilization. In female child at birth, gonads contain. In child at birth, gonads will contain the primary oocyte which were arrested in the first prophase in the fourth to fifth month of life, fetal life. So actually, all primary oocytes are formed by fifth month of fetal life. By fifth month of the fetal life, all the primary oocytes are formed. Now, at birth, no primordial germ cells or oogonia are seen in ovary. Only the primary oocytes are seen. These primary oocytes are arrested in prophase 1 of meiosis 1 until LH surge, that is at puberty. Till puberty. First polar body is formed after the first meiosis. You see, first polar body. Primary oocyte will complete the meiosis 1 and it forms two daughter cells. That is the secondary oocyte, and it also forms one first polar body. This occurs after ovulation. Diplotene and zygotine stages are seen in prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is divided into 4 stages. It is divided into leptotene stage, zygotene stage, pachytene stage and diplotene stage. After the first meiotic division, primary oocyte remains arrested in. After first meiotic division, primary oocyte remains arrested in diplotene stage of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Primary oocytes will enter the prophase of meiosis 1 and they are arrested in this prophase 1, that is diplotene stage of prophase 1 until LH surge, which occurs at puberty. One primary oocyte gives rise to how many ovum? One primary oocyte gives rise to one ovum only. And it gives rise to three polar bodies. One primary oocyte will form one ovum and 3 polar bodies. Polar bodies will disintegrate.
Thank you, and thank you for watching.